Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe, if you are new and you've not yet subscribed, do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. We'll love to watch out for it. And also, guys, if you are yet to follow us on Telegram, you will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So just go to the comment section and follow us on Telegram. Now, let's take a look at what we'll be expecting this week on gold. So we clearly can see that at first, markets got to this key level here. We had a drop, which is the resistance level here. So market came again to this same level. We had a rejection which dropped, right? Then markets came again to this resistance level. We had a reaction at this level that dropped. Now eventually markets came to the same level, but guess what? Markets spiked up to take out a lot of traders that were trying to sell. I literally warned you guys, if you were following me consistently, I told you guys that markets will actually push up, right? Which it actually did. It pushed up. That's, you can see it has done that. Now market has given us the pullback, or we can call it correction, and market has now come back to this level to the extent it broke above it. So with what we are seeing now, gold is heading to a level of 21,000. We are heading to a level of 21,000 this week. Possibly we are going to be breaking level of 21,000. It means gold will continue the movement to the upside. So do not forget to follow us on Telegram, so we will give you an update, more updates if you need it. Now, if you take a look at this, you clearly can see something like this is the highs, higher highs. Then here is the pullback. This is a new higher highs, and a pullback is currently playing out. Once the pullback plays out finish, expect another higher highs. Reason why I said 21,000 is the level we should be watching out for. Possibly we are likely to break above it, but targets for this week should be 21,000 on gold. That is what we are expecting on gold this week. So let's see how market does, and let's see how market plays out. More updates, I will give you guys an update. That is if you subscribe to this channel and also follow us on Telegram. The link to our Telegram channel will be in the comment section.